This is a recast of the 400-word piece, Unveiling Digital Signage Beyond the Usual, from Loop.tech. Let's listen in.
Have you ever stopped to think about digital signage in unusual places?
Like underwater. In large-scale aquariums, digital signage plays a crucial role in educating visitors about marine life. These high-definition displays project vibrant images of different species, feeding schedules, and even anecdotal stories.
Get this, these displays are installed in waterproof cases. They provide interactive and exciting experiences for visitors, stirring curiosity and fostering learning in a fun and dynamic way.
That's not all. Digital signage is even found on mountaintops, in the snowy peaks where the air is thin and temperatures drop. These screens provide real-time weather updates, trail maps, and safety information for mountaineers.
It's incredible how digital signage can be a lifeline for those navigating challenging terrain. And it's not just about information, it's about preserving our cultural heritage too.
Digital displays at heritage sites blend modern technology with timeless history. They provide an interactive platform explaining the historical significance to tourists. It's a beautiful way to preserve our cultural heritage.
Guess what? Digital signage even has a place in agricultural settings and farms. It streamlines operations and improves efficiency by providing scheduling information, automated feeding plans, and data on livestock health.
Let's not forget elevators. Those small screens inside elevators have come a long way from just displaying floor numbers. Now they serve personalized advertisements, news, weather forecasts, and building-specific content.
These examples show just how flexible and varied digital signage can be, whether it's underwater, on mountaintops, at historical sites, or even in elevators. It continues to find new frontiers to conquer and creative ways to deliver content.
That's it for today.